The young human growing out of childhood shall continually be protected from vicious activities of adults, notwithstanding their legality. Obioraobiezemeditation. Severity of certain adult activities are detrimental to tender humans. It is inevitable that in conducting sundry affairs of humans, as they congregate in organized communities, there will be exceptionally harsh and strenuous activities. These may manifest in peaceful activities such as agriculture and industrial manufacturing. Sadly, wars are greatest culprits. However, the delicate biological structure of the growing human is not robust enough to safely confront the arduous aspects of the adult world. It follows that unprotected exposure of the tender human will create retarding malformations of his physical body, including his impressionable mind. At worst, and quite often, there occurs outright fatality. Beginning early in the family, therefore, the child needs be isolated from observing and emulating the severely strenuous adult activities. And more specifically, adults shall not force these tender humans into such activities, especially wars. Such mindless intrusion on the developmental process of the growing humans jeopardizes posterity. Obioraobiezemeditation.